Decompression involves anchoring your pelvis by pulling up and into your groin, so your knees are pulling up and in. Your fingertips are going to measure the distance between the lowest portion of your rib cage and the top portion of your pelvis. You're going to tuck your chin, pull the back of your neck upwards, and take a nice deep breath in through your nose. In a 360 breath, after we take our inhale, we're going to squeeze our stomach tight, maintaining all the expansion that we just gained up. And then we're going to repeat that many times. When you're done, you come back down and you relax. The hinge is one of the most important concepts we can get into. This is going to change the tension within our system to allow for the bony structures to align themselves. The angle of the hinge is going to depend on what feels comfortable in the person and how the tension is shifting within the system. Deep breath in, exhale, squeeze the stomach tight. Deep breath in and exhale. Now we hinge slightly. By doing this, we're changing the tension in the system, lifting our bodies up. To create more tension or alter the tension, we can bring our arms nice and wide, fingertips spread out nice and wide. We can reach out in front of us, press each fingertip together, and this will create tension within our system to allow our breath to push out against. We can go all the way from our root chakra to our heart chakra, even over our head. Let's learn it, apply it, and live it.